Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your Oculus Rift S for an amazing VR experience. Let's dive in. To get started, you'll need to download the MetaQuest Setup app. Head over to oculus.com/setup. Scroll down until you see the Oculus Rift S and click Download MetaQuest app. Once the file is downloaded, open it to begin the installation process. Choose your preferred language, review the terms and conditions, and click Agree to proceed. You can change the installation location or stick with the default, then hit Install. The app will take a few moments to install and will open automatically when it's ready. Now, log into your Meta account. If you don't already have one, you can create a new account directly within the app. For those with multiple accounts, simply click on Not You to select the correct one. Follow the prompts and you'll be logged in shortly. Once signed in, put on your headset and follow the instructions displayed in the app. You'll be guided through setting up your virtual boundary, ensuring a safe and immersive experience. That's all it takes to set up your Oculus Rift S and get started with VR. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.